Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a photo to your Odoo website. This is a simple way to improve your page and make important sections more appealing to visitors. If you want to make your website more visual and engaging, adding an image is one of the easiest ways to do it. Odoo makes this process very simple with its built-in website editor. And in this guide, I'll walk you through it from start to finish, so you can place a photo exactly where you want it on your page. You can use this method to add product photos, team images, service graphics, banners, or any other visual content that supports your message. To begin, open Odoo and click on the Website app. This will take you to your website dashboard, or directly to your site, depending on how your setup is configured. From here, you can access your website pages and use Odoo's editing tools without needing to write any code. Once you're there, navigate to the page where you want the image to appear. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the correct page before you start editing, especially if your site has multiple sections or menus. For example, you may want to add a product photo to a shop page, a team photo to an about page, or a service-related image to your homepage. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Edit. This switches the page into editing mode and gives you access to the content blocks and customization tools. Make sure you have the correct editing permissions if the Edit button is not visible. When Edit mode is active, you'll be able to add new elements and rearrange your page layout more easily. You can also adjust existing sections, move content blocks, and preview how the page will look while you make changes. After that, find the image block in the editor. This is the content block specifically designed for displaying photos or graphics on your website. Using the image block helps you add a visual in a structured way that fits properly within the page layout. You'll usually see it in the list of available blocks in the editing panel. Take a moment to locate it before moving on, since this is the element you'll be placing onto the page. Depending on your Odoo version or website theme, the block may appear under a section such as Basic, Content, or Images. Once you've found the image block, drag and drop it into the location on the page where you want the photo to appear. You can place it between paragraphs, underneath a heading, beside other content, or inside a dedicated section. As you move it around, Odoo will usually highlight possible placement areas, which helps you position the image in the right section. Try to place it where it fits naturally with the rest of your content, so the page remains clean and balanced. Avoid placing too many large images close together, as this can make the page feel crowded and may slow down loading times. As soon as you drop the image block into place, a window will appear asking you to either upload an image or select one that already exists in your media library. Uploading a new image is useful when the photo is stored on your computer, while the media library lets you reuse an image that has already been added to Odoo. Choose the option that works best for you, then pick the image you want the block to display. Make sure the image you select is appropriate for the section and clear enough to look good on your website. For better results, use a high-quality image with the correct shape and dimensions, but avoid extremely large files that could affect your website's speed. Once the image has been selected, it will appear in the image block on your page. You can then review its placement and use the available customization options to adjust its size, alignment, shape, or appearance if needed. Before leaving the editor, remember to save your changes and check the page on both desktop and mobile devices. And that's it! You've successfully added a photo to your Odoo website. With the right image and placement, you can make your page easier to understand, more professional, and more engaging for your visitors.